Hi, you are on the channel Pretty Models. Be sure to watch to the end. Pleasant viewing. Asmabeth Hernandez was born on May 10, 1982 in Los Angeles, California, United States. She is 40 years old as of 2022. Her astrological sign is Taurus. The curvaceous Latina stands 5 feet 2 inches tall or 157 centimeters, body type, slim thick. She has a beautiful dark hair and brown eyes. Color, marital status, unknown, nationality, Honduran American. Asmabeth grew up in the United States. She is based in Los Angeles, California. She has Honduran roots. The lifestyle wellness coach became famous for her incredible weight loss. She went from being overweight to 86 pounds down. She spends most of her time in gym houses transforming her body physique. She became known on social media when some of her fitness clips and photos went viral on Instagram, and since then, she has garnered more than 54,000 followers and counting. The gorgeous Latina is also making name for herself on TikTok, where she has thousands of followers.